Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have both apps, now act. Open WhatsApp and locate the chat with the place or link. Once done, confirm Waze is installed and GPS is on so coordinates resolve correctly. If the sender shared a pinned location, tap it. If they sent a Google Maps link, tap the link to expand options. Make sure permissions prompt appears and you accept. Without location and link handling enabled, Waze cannot receive the destination. Start the in-chat action to hand off the place. You tap the WhatsApp location or map link. Now choose how to open it. When the Android or iOS chooser appears, pick Waze, tap Open with or Share then Waze. On iPhone, tap the three dots and choose Share then Waze. Once Waze launches, it reads the coordinates and builds a route. Give it a moment to calculate. Make sure you pick Drive if multiple transport modes appear. If you want a different arrival point, edit the address before starting navigation. You see the route in Waze, review turn list in EDA, then press Go to begin guidance. Make sure your phone volume and Waze voice settings are set, adjust if you miss prompts. While driving, Waze reroutes automatically for traffic. Trust it and follow arrows. If nothing happens when tapping a link, troubleshoot. Clear the default app for map links, enable permissions, then try again. As a last resort, reinstall Waze or WhatsApp. That usually fixes broken link handling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.